Today in class 6 physics we will start with the non-contact forces. There is a force which do not require a physical contact between the two interacting bodies and act as a distance are called the non-contact force, and the various kinds of non-contact force if we ask that magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. First starts with the magnetic force. That is, if we bring a magnet close in contact with some iron pins, we observe that the pin get attracted towards the magnet and stick to its surface. This attraction is due to the force exerted by the magnet on the iron pins they are not in direct contact with each other. This force exerted by magnet is called the magnetic force. A magnet can exert force in another magnet or magnet metal like iron, nickel, cobalt, and this interaction between the magnet can either be attractive or repulsive. A magnet has two poles, one is on north pole and south pole at its ends, and like poles of the magnet always repel each other and unlike pole always attract each other. So now if we see one activity that a bar magnet and few some small pin like paper clips, if we see that they also attracted to the magnet from the distance. Now move on to the another topic is there, and that is the bar magnet and different materials, that is to observe the magnetic force. If we ask, there some magnets are with maximum force that is attracted to far distance, and some are with less magnetic force that is attracted from the less distance. Now move on to the electrostatic force. There is a force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. There is electrostatic force, and change can also be attracted. Charges are also attracted or repel each other by just like a magnet. When we rub a comb on dry hair, electric charge is developed on the surface of the comb. Next, we bring the comb near the pieces of small paper, then get attracted towards it. The attraction is due to the electrostatic force exerted by the charged comb of the pieces of paper, even through them are not in direct contact with each other. That is also through the ruler we can do this kind of activity. Now move on to the gravitational force. That is, we can throw a ball from a height, it falls towards the ground. Similarly, when we throw a ball up into the air, that also goes some height and then falls back towards the ground. Why does this happen? It happened because of each earth attracted the bodies towards the center. The attractive pull of the earth is an example of gravitational force or gravity. In fact, the bodies that possess mass exert this force, hence gravitational force is actually is gravity. And in fact, all the bodies that possess mass exert this force, and gravitational force can be also defined as the force with which any two masses or object pull each other is due to the gravitational force or gravity, and that all the objects either remain on the ground or always fall back onto the ground. These are the different non-contact forces found around us. So today up to that, next we'll start with another topic, and also we next day also we will see the another example or different forces.